We are back with another video. I've been doing some work off camera. Also, I've had a customer project that I've been working on, so that wasn't really allowing me to work on my car much over the past 2 weeks. But we're back now, and I did get some stuff done off camera, which I'm going to show you. But also, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are installing an R35 wing onto the G35. I'm so hyped for it, guys. Trust me. It looks really good. You guys will see that in just a moment. But if you guys are new, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Please make sure to leave a comment down below as well. And if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. So first things first, let's go ahead and check out pretty much what we did. So coming in here, I did a partial paint on the all in here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's so bright outside right now, but we pretty much got all of this painted. There you go, you can sort of see it. Just this majority flat black on both sides. That way when we get the car wrapped, it's not going to show through. Same thing pretty much here. All of this has been painted. Everything here has been painted in the trunk. I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But we got all of that pretty much painted. And aside from that, we haven't really done much. Pretty much just waiting for parts to come in, which we have another part inside, but that's going to be another video. But yeah, we've been kind of trying to do little things here and there, trying to get this thing ready for wrap. But finally, we have a little bit of time, so I want to get this wing installed because I'm so excited. It came in today, and I'm hyped for it. So let me go ahead and show you what we already did though. Off camera, I went ahead and put grease on the bolts on the underside, and we already got those drilled out right here, right here, right here. Well, not drilled out, but sort of drilled. We're about to screw all of that through or drill those holes out. And without further ado, here is the wing, an R35 wing. I'm so hyped. It needs a little bit of work trying to get this fitment done perfect. Man, this lighting is not helping me out right now. But here it is. I'm so hyped for it. You guys will see it on the car in just a moment. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead, get these drilled out. Hopefully those are in the right spot. It's a little hard. I've never been the best at installing wings, but nonetheless, I'm so excited. It looks so good. I'm literally building a baby Skyline, which is sort of my goal with this car. I can't afford a Skyline, at least not yet. So subscribe, watch my videos, guys, and help your boy out. One day, that's my ultimate dream, is to have an R35. But nonetheless, we're literally building a mini Skyline here, and I'm so hyped for an R35 wing on my G35. It's pretty dope. But anyways, guys, enough talking. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna get this stuff all drilled out. Alright, guys, we got the holes drilled out. Got them bored as well. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some paint down on here once I know it's in the right spot, and try to clean this up a little bit. While I was at it, went ahead and wet sanded the entire trunk, just like I did. This whole side is done, so now we just have this side to do. And also coming in here, I mean, it's dirty now, but you can see everything is all black, and I might even do all of this as well. Still have to put the trimming on, which we have right there. But I'll probably end up actually doing this just so when we pop the trunk, it looks clean, looks presentable. Yeah, so I'm super stoked. Let's go ahead and get the wing on. Alright guys, it's the next day. I've been out here already for a few hours about. Got the wing fully mocked up. Also did a little bit of body working. Did it all off camera just so I can kind of just show you guys the end result. So let me go ahead and show you. Here it is. Went ahead and basically, so there's 3 screws that hold this down, or 3 bolts. Went ahead and got it all flush around. There's no more gapping or anything. Fitment is and then also this isn't done yet, but also got all of this pretty much on point as well on both sides. But here it is, guys. Check it out. Dang. I am so happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below as well. One thing I want to start doing is I want to be more interactive with all of you guys who watch my videos. Leave comments below, say what's up. Let me know some opinions, ideas of what you guys may like to see. That's the whole point of this channel. I want you guys to be just as part of this build and other builds as I am with me, if that makes sense. Yes, you guys get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, here it is. I'm so happy. Let me know what you guys think. We have an R35 wing on the G35. I am happy. You can see how much it hangs over. Super stoked on it. Wait till you guys see the next model we're gonna do, which I think will probably be the next video. Oof, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Literally, guys, like, I can't afford a Skyline yet. With your guys' help though, we could definitely make that happen and possibly move into a shop one day. So subscribe and watch my videos and leave those thumbs up, guys, because we will make it happen. So until then, we're literally building a baby Skyline with the G37 front conversion. Those headlights, you know, it gives it that Skyline look. R35 style wing, and we're literally building a baby Skyline. And we have something else already here, but like I said, stay tuned for the next video. Let's just say a little hint, it's gonna make it even more into a Skyline. Looking like a Skyline. Anyways, it's all fun. It's all fun. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. I really love it though. I think that's so hot. Now that that's done, I also gave the entire trunk a nice sanding, but we'll give it another one when it comes time to wrap. Rear bumper needs quite a bit of body working. Actually, it's close, but we're not even gonna focus on that. Right now, I have this new package that came in. We're gonna get this, it's a foam padding for my VA, so we can go ahead and give this all a nice sanding. This whole side is basically done. We went all the way to 400 grit. It's dirty, but it's very, very smooth. I don't know how high we're gonna go yet with it, but I think we're gonna start sanding the hood. Let's go ahead and do that, and then I think I'm gonna be done for the day. I kind of want to just relax, and then this upcoming week you can hear a difference. Like this upcoming week we'll go ahead and get all of this sanded, and for the most part we're getting really close to wrap. I'm just really trying to be patient, take my time with it. I feel like I started to get a little out of I kind of started losing myself. I feel like building this car on a YouTube channel, it's difficult because you're doing it more to try to get content out there rather than yourself enjoying it. I used to build cars off camera before YouTube, and it was just for fun and games and enjoyment. And starting the YouTube channel, I feel like I lost track of that and started to kind of just build the car for content. So that's why I kind of been doing some stuff off camera, such as, you know, painting the door jambs, painting the trunk, removing all of that, sanding this side, just kind of doing stuff off camera. I just so I can just, you know, get back to the roots and just kind of just enjoy building it, not for views or any of that stuff. But nonetheless, let's go ahead, drop the hood, and let's get this thing sanded down. Sweet, just got this whole thing done all the way to 800 grit. It's very, very smooth. Just need to go ahead and clean it now. But 800 grit done. Now we just have fender, door, quarter panel, and then I don't know how high up we're gonna go with grit. We might even go all the way to 1,000. Like I said, I'm really in no hurry to get this thing done. I'm just trying to enjoy it and take my time for once, rather than constantly always rushing it. And then the side skirts, still need work on the side skirts. We have a piece right here that needs some epoxy, and yeah, the side skirts, front and rear bumper, they need work. Not really concerned on those at all. We'll take care of those in the future, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this thing pulled out, get it hosed off. All right guys, we got it all hosed down. No detail really needed, just because we're going to be doing more sanding on that side. I mainly just wanted to get all the sanding debris off. I had to hit the hood again because it left like a weird stain from the sandpaper. It was really weird, but nonetheless, we got it all good. Let me go ahead and show you again the wing. So really all that's left is just body working, all of that, getting that perfect on both sides. But nonetheless, scary actually. I was washing the car. I didn't have my sunglasses on. I have them on now because I don't trust the sun anymore. But when I was out there washing the car and I noticed that the hood was stained, I was sanding the hood and I noticed my vision started to get weird from the sun reflecting off of white. And when I went inside, you know how usually when you're outside too long it's bright and you go inside it's dark? Well, it wasn't dark. Everything was green, and that was the freakiest thing. I thought my vision was done. Everything was like, if you guys have looked through a welding mask at like the sun or even just outside how everything's green, that's 100% what it looked like. And I was freaking out because it took a minute to come back. But now we got my sunglasses on. That was very scary. But nonetheless, stay tuned for the next video, guys. We're going to be installing another part. I will tell you it is another R35 part. I'm very excited for it. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit that bell notification. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up, guys. It really, really honestly does help me out a lot. Really trying to hit 6K and then 7, 8, 9, and then my huge, huge goal, 10,000 subscribers. That's going to be huge for me. So let's get it, guys. We can make it happen. I know we can, and big, big, big things to come. But like I said, I need your guys' help. So let's grow as one. And I promise I won't let you guys down, because the more we grow, the more I can do giveaways and give you more exciting content, build other cars. One car, for example, we're going to be possibly touching again is Donna's Scion TC. She's on the fence though between fixing that up or getting rid of it and possibly getting the Genesis, which would be pretty lit, but we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, I hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Stay tuned, and I hope to catch you all there. Until next time, as always, peace out.